आज हम यहाँ पे स्टेट काउंसिल ऑफ एजुकेशनल रिसर्च एंड ट्रेनिंग के स्टॉल पे जो एस्टेब्लिश्ड है यहाँ पे चिनार बुक फेस्टिवल में जो SKICC में लगा है। आज इसका 6th डे है, 24th आज डेट है। तो मेरे साथ आज जम्मू कश्मीर जो हमारी UT है ये सब टॉवरिंग और एमिनेंट एजुकेशनल लीडर्स हैं। तो ये एजुकेशनल लीडर्स आज हमारे स्टॉल पे आए हैं। मैं ब्रीफली इन्हीं से इंट्रोडक्शन इनकी लूँगा। ये इंट्रोडक्शन के बाद हमारा यहाँ पे इंटेंशन है कि हम एक टॉक यहाँ पे होगी और उस टॉक का जो मेन थीम रहेगा वो थीम यही होगा, इम्पॉर्टेंस ऑफ बुक रीडिंग इन द मिडल ऑफ द इम्पैक्ट ऑफ सोशल मीडिया। तो मैं सबसे पहले मैं शेख गुलजार अहमद हूँ, मैं सीनियर एकेडमिक ऑफिसर SCRT कश्मीर।
Myself Sayyid Ashik Hussain, faculty member Jammu and Kashmir State Council of Educational Research and Training. Shortly, I can say that JKSERT. I visited this book fair today, namely as Chinar Book Fair. It's very good initiative by the National Book Trust to develop the reading habit among the students, because nowadays it is the era of media. Everything is available on media. People prefer, especially students, prefer to read through their devices, gadgets, phones and laptops, and they are forgetting the real books, the books printed on paper. It is a good initiative that will revive, will go back to the era when we would used to read on the books, and reading books help us to be sharp on the memory, and while reading on the books, it helps us to comprehend the things well.
Thank you very much.
I am Abdul Rashid, DNO निपुण भारत डिस्ट्रिक्ट बारामूला, क्लाइंट बारामूला से। तो निपुण के बारे में जो FLN का एक जो मिशन है उसके बारे में कई अपने स्टॉल पे जो SCRT का स्टॉल यहाँ पे लगा हुआ है, तो यहाँ पे एक्चुअली वो प्रमोट कर रहे हैं कि भाई खेल कूद से बच्चों को कैसे चीज़ें सिखाएं, जिसमें हमने कई सारी गेम्स ऐसे थे जिसमें वैल्यूज़ बच्चों को सिखाए गए कि अच्छे गुड हैबिट्स, बैड हैबिट्स क्या चीज़ें, और कॉग्निटिव कुछ ऐसे गेम्स जो बच्चों के साथ खाली, और हमारे पास फिज़िकल डोमेन का हर एक डोमेन जो पहुंच चुके 5 अपने FLN में है, तो उनका ख्याल करके हमने सभी चीज़ों को बहुत से अच्छी तरह से यहाँ पे गेम्स के द्वारा उन पे ना वो डेवलप करने की कोशिश। तो SCRT का ही एक स्टॉल है कि जहाँ पे बच्चों का तांता बांता रहा, क्योंकि बच्चों को तो यही चाहिए।
बिल्कुल, थैंक यू।
Myself, Saima Ejaz. I'm Senior Academic Officer in the Department of Art and Vocation at SCRT. I had been working here since last 7 days. I had been here. I had been attending the students. I was really surprised, and equally I was happy to see the students coming to our stall and taking a great keen interest in playing the games. So this thing reflects that how you can engage students equally by engaging them with playway method and how to teach them, how to learn them, make them learn. And besides that, हमारे SCRT पे we have stall जहाँ पर we have showcased a number of books regarding, we can see we have a handbook for FLN teachers, we have very good books to help our teachers to come out with good results, engaging with students. Besides that, जो सर ने already बोला है regarding the habit of reading. So this is a good initiative, a very positive sign, and I was really very much happy to see students coming from different corners of the valley and taking these carry books full of these books. So this shows कि कहीं पर ये reading habit is very much there into their minds, but this is to be inculcated again so that हमारे बच्चे जो हैं electronic gadgets से थोड़ा दूर रहें और ये जो habit है ये वापस बच्चों के अंदर आ जाए। Thank you so much.
This is Sayyid Hamid Bukhari, JKSCRT from Language Department. And I'd be very happy to say the great saying for us that books are the great friends. And when you compare it with the social media today, why this book fair is this here? Because to create the culture, the book culture again, and to compare it with the social media, and you get different things, a lot of things which are not needed for the students. But to revive this book culture, what our Rashid Saab did say that in olden times we would say that emotional strength was through the books, or the awareness was through the books, health and hygiene was through the books, everything was through the books, and you would get the information of different countries, different corners, and the revolutions, translations of the books now. Nowadays, also, you see the books, they are in a different